Hi, I'm Rhoden.
Hi, I'm Joe Rhoden.
Welcome to Raising the Roof with Ro and Joe.
What is a roofing system?
So the roofing system are all the components that make your home dry. And so there's multiple layers of a roofing system. So the top layer is what we're standing on, is the shingles. And then underneath that, it's what we call underlayment. And then underneath that is ice and water shield sometimes, most times in the critical areas. And then underneath that is the sheathing or the wood, the roof deck.
Is the underlayment the ceiling or what is that?
No, the underlayment, you can't even see it. You can't see it from the inside or the outside. It's just right underneath the shingles. What it is, it's a water barrier. So it's a secondary drainage plane. So if any water gets through the shingles, what it is it's another layer that helps get the water out to the gutter.
So it doesn't leak?
Correct. There's also where we start the roof, we use a different type of shingle, and that's called your starter shingle. So your first course would be your starter shingles, and then we start seeing the shingles that you can actually see. And as we go all the way up to the top, there's the ridge cap. You guys see the ridge cap behind you? See how that looks different? Yeah. So that's at the peak of the roof. It's called the ridge, and we put ridge cap on it.
Do we not go up there because it's like steep?
Yeah, it's a little steep, that part, so we're gonna stay away from it.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need any help, call Rhoden Roofing.